Hey guys, how you doing? Hank Hayes, Intuitive Self-Protection. We are excited. We are excited. We got it in. The Glock 43X MOS. Modular Optic System Ready 43X. So we're going to do the unboxing here, and we are very excited. We're going to take you guys through that journey with us to experience the unboxing. So we're pretty excited about it, and I hope you are too. So you just catch me over my shoulder here, and we're going to go ahead and do that unboxing. All right, all right, all right. Here we go, here we go. Let's do it. The Glock MOS 43X. Pretty excited here. All right, first let's check to make sure this gun is safe and clear. Visually inspect, physically inspect. That is a safe gun. Mag source safe, mag source safe. And I got some high performance Sig Sauer ammo, and we are going to remove this from the equation altogether. So what do we have here? Sweet. So what I really like about this 43X is the handle on this is longer than the 43. So you can get a better, full, and complete grip on it, and you don't have that pinky hanging off the end. So that's one of the things that's great about the X series. But the MOS is Modular Optic System Ready, right? So this, you just got to take this plate off, boop, put your optic on, zero it, and you're set. Zero it, and you're set. So I am very, very excited about shooting and working with this particular pistol. So, okay, what are we talking about here? What does it come with? Let's see. Let me make sure you guys can get a view of all this. So there's our weapon system. We have 10-round mags, two 10-round mags. I love how they have the orange followers, so you can really tell right away when you're safe and clear. Comes with two of these. Awesome. And that's cool. Comes with a little loader, so speed loader. That's awesome. What else do we have in here? Oh, this is great. This is great for cleaning. And it has an attachable push rod, so you can get that bad boy and go ahead and clean your weapon system when you have to clean that weapon system. That's great. What else do we have in here? Lock. Great. Safety first, man. Safety first. You always got to have one of these bad boys. And what else do we have? Oh, okay. How you are going to have to mount your RDS system. Take that plate off. It's got some great instructions there. And of course, your ever important Glock Perfection Safeguards Manual. And I believe that's it. Exciting, man. Exciting, exciting, exciting. Oops. Let's do that again. There you go. Take that bad boy apart. All right. Great. Well, we are ready to roll, man. I'm really looking forward to putting some rounds downrange on this. It's going to be great to shoot this weapon system. Function test. Good. And we are ready to go. There goes our unboxing of the Glock 43X MOS. can't wait to shoot it. We're going to take you guys with us when we mount the optic system. We're going to zero it, then we're going to put some rounds downrange on it. All right, I'll catch you for the outro here in a second. All right, that was great. That was great. And so here we have it, the MOS 43X. Really looking forward to working with this gun. It's just going to be a blast. But one of the things we're going to do with this, and this is a safe and clear weapon system, as you can see. Let's see if you can make sure you can see in there. Yep. So this is the Smith & Wesson M&P Shield Pro series. You can see it's a ported weapon system. I've done some work to it, but we're going to put these two together in a little shootout. So we're going to have a lot of fun doing that. We want to take you along for the ride there. If you're looking to build your gunfighting skills, your tactical skill sets, your survivability, come train with us. Come check us out. Go to intuitivesp.com. You can find us on our website. You can find us on Facebook, and you can also find us on Instagram at HankHayes_ISP. So we look forward to getting together with you and seeing you on the range. Ciao. Have a great day. Peace.